guys, JoJo here, welcome back. A while back I made a video on how to make plant tags with soda pop cans. Super cute idea, really unnecessarily long. So for your sanity and for mine, I went ahead and re-edited it. This one is the same content, just in a tinier package. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and I hope you enjoy. First thing you need to do is grab the tab and go. Right. Once you have that off, you're going to grab your can opener. And it's going to keep turning. Plus and bottom. Oh. Once you get that initial, there you go. Cut all the way down, and then cut along the bottom. Once you cut your soda pop can, it curls up, and we need to uncurl it. All you need to do is find a flat, like a cornered edge somewhere, and pretend that it's like a toothpaste bottle, and slide it along against the edge the opposite way of how it's curled. All right. Once you have your piece flat, now you need to go grab the pattern. But just go ahead and trace it along. And then once you have it traced, go ahead and cut it out with your scissors. Grab your hole punch and just... Now I probably did this a little too close to the edge, but we're gonna run with it. You can just put the a plant name on there, or you can do a phrase. And give yourself a decent amount of room for where your hook, where your little plant tie is going to be. So you're going to go ahead and put this slipper in there. And once you have the loop as big as you would like it to allow some room for it to jiggle in the sun, clamp it down with your pliers. You want this to be doubled up at the bottom in order for it to have a nice firm base when you stick it into the ground. And what I do is just take my pin and wrap it around just a couple of times. There we go, just for a little bit of something, a little extra. And there we are. Anyways, thanks for stopping by. Hope you enjoyed this little how-to, and I'll see you next time.